Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, I'm coming to you today with another open collaboration. I will be reading from my notes, so please forgive me, but I want to make sure I give you guys all the info and I don't leave nothing out. Now, I'm participating in an open collaboration hosted by Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget and her co-host Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Now, if you don't know both of these ladies, you're missing out. Both of these ladies have great channels, they have great content, and they're great content creators. Okay? So if you haven't been on their channels, please go over and show them some genuine support and some love, okay? And tell them Diva Decorating sent you. Okay, guys, let's get into the rules. Now, the rules were very simple, okay? First of all, it was the title of the video, if I didn't mention, is Spring Easter Bar Cart Collab 2020, okay? Now, the rules were to show or create a beverage of your choice for the season, okay? So that means you could create any drink, non-alcoholic, or it could have alcohol in it. It was totally up to you. Let's see, the upload date is April 11th, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You are to use spring or Easter decor. It's your choice, either or. You are to use the hashtag Spring Easter Bar Cart 2020. Include the playlist link, Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis channel links in your description box. Please be subscribed to both creators' channels, okay? So as I said, the rules are very simple. Now guys, this is my first time participating in this particular collab. I believe it is an annual collab by Marilyn, and I think her co-host is always Kimberly Davis, okay? So, my drink of choice is going to be a non-alcoholic drink. It's going to be raspberry lemon tea, okay? Yes, I know that sounds very simple, okay, but guys, I'm going to put a little twist in it to give you some interest. So if you would like to see how I make my raspberry lemon tea, and would you like to see my bar cart? Okay, guys, just stick around and I will show you how I came up with everything. Okay guys, so this is all the ingredients you're going to need for this raspberry lemon tea. Of course, you're going to need some fresh raspberries, and I will explain in a minute what this is. You're going to need some sugar. This is optional. You can use some raspberry lemonade. You can find this at the Dollar Trees, the little packets that you add to your bottled waters. This will probably give it more, even a more good flavor, okay? You're going to need 2 of the lemons, and you're going to need a pitcher and a spoon to stir everything up, and you're going to need 3 to 4 tea bags. Now this is just the classic blend. It's just the regular tea that you make iced tea with. It's not flavored or anything, okay? Now let me get to the raspberries again. Now these raspberries, all this is 1 to 2 cups of sugar sitting on top that has set out, and the sugar has liquefied, as you can see. Now you will need to let this sit for at least 2 to 3 hours, maybe 4, okay? But while that's sitting, you can prepare everything else. So what you need to do to prepare this, all you need to do is add your 3 to 4 cups of sugar on top of your clean washed and drained raspberries. And you just pour your sugar in there like so, and you just let it sit for those 3 to 4 hours or longer, but just until it liquefies, okay? Now, while that's doing that, you're going to boil your tea according to your tea instructions, okay? Then you're going to let your tea cool, and then you're going to put it in a pitcher or whatever container you want to use, and you're going to chill it in the refrigerator. Now, after that is chilled and your raspberry has liquefied, you're just going to add your tea to your, or you already have your tea in your pitcher. You're just going to add your raspberries with the juice. You're just going to pour everything inside there, and you can also add your 1 pack of raspberry lemonade if you would like. You're going to cut up a fresh lemon into slices, and you're going to add that also to your tea, and you're going to squeeze the other lemon inside your tea as well. Okay, you're going to stir everything up, and what I like to do is I like to make it even more colder and put it in the freezer for a little while until it gets a little icy. And guys, I tell you, this drink, oh my goodness, I love this drink, okay? So once I get it all stirred up, we're going to pour us a glass. So hold on 1 second. And I'm going to pour it in this glass. Look at that. And I want to grab some of those lemons out of here, guys. I decided to put it in my water goblet. Okay. You can put you a lemon in there if you would like. Also, I'm going to grab a straw, guys. Look at that. That's how it's looking, guys. Oh, it looks so cold and yummy. You can also add ice cubes to it, or you can put your raspberry in a ice tray and freeze it, and you can just add those ice cubes frozen to the drink, and this should be very, very delicious. Now guys, this is a nice spring drink, but it also can serve as a nice summer drink on those hot days. So yeah, so that's how you make this raspberry lemon tea. Okay guys, so let's go to the bar cart. This is the bar cart. Go over everything on the bar cart. Well, first of all, I am using my breakfast bar cart, and I hope that's okay. I know we were supposed to use a bar cart, but this is what I use in my living room as my bar cart. It's set up all the time as a bar, so I hope that this will serve as a bar cart for the video. Okay, I'm going to start right here, guys. This is just a DIY vase that I just put some glittered eggs in and some grass in, and I have it sitting atop of my DIY candle holders, which if you're always on my channel, you know that I have those here all the time. So I changed the candle out and decided to bring some spring in and add the eggs on top. I'm going to be going back to front. So in front of that, I have my DIY holder. It is not a straw holder, but I use it as a straw holder to hold my straws. And there is the cute little wine bottles. This actually came from Bath and Body Works. It was a plug-in, and I took it off and I added it to this little holder here. In front of that, I have my DIY mirrored coasters. And all of this is sitting on some mirror that I have going all the way across. But in the back there, I have a bling runner, which came from eFavorMart. Going to the back again, I have my margarita glasses here. I picked these up from a restaurant supply store. And it's a set of 6, and all of them are different colors. And I really love using these. These are so festive. And in front of that, I just have some wine glasses, just plain wine glasses that I already had as well. And in front of that, I have my raspberry lemon tea that we made, sitting on top of this orange bright napkin. And that's how that's looking. Back to the back here in the middle of everything, I have my floral. And this I actually stole off of my ottoman. So that's that. And I have it in this bling crystal vase. I believe I picked that up from Bed and Bath Beyond. And on the wall, you can hardly see it, but it says Happy Easter back there. And these flowers, they were white, and I just spray painted them the coral color. And in front of that, I have this DIY, it's a glam glass that I glammed up. And also I have some stirrers in here, some crystal stirrers. And actually, I have to give thanks to Valerie of, I forget her channel name, Glamorous Castle. Thanks so much. I got this idea from her to make these stirrers, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I will leave her link down in my description box, so if you want to see how these are made, you can go on her channel and you can see how she made these. I have them mixed in with these pretty flamingo stirrers, which I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I already had these. And I love how that looks all together. And in front of that, I just have a Bath and Body Works candle here in that same coral color. Going back to the back, I have my DIY Chanel ice bucket and wine bottle.